castle a plushie has ever had. Y'all plushies are lucky that my auntie bought us this tent. It took days to convince her, but we're lucky. Now, this is the biggest castle. You can win a world record for getting the world's biggest plushie castle. Finally, I can get some sleep.
Yes, I'm not a win.
That noise.
Yes.
I can't play. Oh my gosh, I am tired of this noise. Like, I'm going to check it out because I am tired and I want to go to sleep. And I'm not, and I want to go to sleep before I go to that party. Be quiet. Hold on. What do you want, Auntie? Don't ask me what I want. You know what I want. What do you want? What do you want? I want you to be quiet. Y'all just ignore that. I want you to be quiet. Okay. I really don't care. Just be quiet. I'm just trying to get some sleep. Can you just be quiet for like 3 hours, please? Then I'll take you to that concert that you've been wanting to go to. Wait, are you serious? Yeah. Okay, I'll be quiet. Who's at the door? I don't know. That's your problem. I wasn't expecting anyone today, but I'll go get it, I guess. Oh, officer. What are you doing here, Mr. Officer? Apparently people has been calling me about noise complaints from this address from okay. I'm so sorry. That was my son. My nephew. Well, can you tell your nephew to keep it down? Oh, I am so sorry. Well, can you bring your nephew to the door? Because we gotta tell him in person so we'll actually listen. Okay? Harold, get down here right now. Why are you calling me, Auntie? And why is the police at our door? Because of you. What did I do? We've been getting noise complaints because of you. Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. But, can I speak to your son? Sure, but he's my nephew. Your nephew. Okay, come over here, little guy. You see, this is a high policy neighborhood, so you're gonna have to be quiet. Yeah, Harold. Be quiet. Now, this is why I tell you not to be yelling in your room. Stop yelling in your room. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, well, don't do it again. Don't worry. I'll deal with him. Officer, get out. 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 Okay.